There's something truly special about eating food you've grown yourself. Imagine biting into a juicy tomato still warm from the sun. Think about the taste of fresh strawberries picked straight from the plant. Growing your own food is a rewarding experience. It connects you to nature and brings joy to your table. Homegrown food just tastes better. You control what goes into it. No harmful chemicals, just natural goodness. Plus, gardening is good exercise. You'll get fresh air and sunshine. Growing your own food also saves you money. Imagine fewer trips to the grocery store. Think about the satisfaction of enjoying your own harvest. It's a wonderful feeling to be self-sufficient. Starting your own vegetable garden is easier than you think. Find a sunny spot in your yard. You need at least 6 hours of sunlight for most vegetables. Prepare the soil by removing weeds and adding compost. Compost enriches the soil and helps your plants thrive. Next, choose your vegetables wisely. Begin with easy-to-grow varieties. Lettuce, radishes, and beans are great for beginners. Tomatoes, cucumbers, and zucchini are also rewarding crops. Plant your seeds or seedlings according to the instructions on the packet. Water your garden regularly, especially during dry spells. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. A healthy garden is a productive garden. Soon you'll be harvesting your own delicious vegetables. Permaculture is a way of gardening that works with nature. It's about creating a sustainable ecosystem in your garden. One key principle is companion planting. This means growing plants that benefit each other. For example, basil repels insects that can harm tomatoes. Another important aspect is attracting beneficial insects. Ladybugs and lacewings are natural predators of garden pests. Plant flowers like marigolds and sunflowers to invite them in. Mulching is another essential permaculture practice. Mulch helps retain moisture in the soil and suppresses weeds. Use organic materials like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves. By adopting permaculture principles, you create a healthy and abundant garden. From garden bounty to pantry staples. Simple preservation techniques. Preserving your surplus produce allows you to enjoy your harvest year-round. There are several simple methods to preserve your bounty. Freezing is a great option for berries, tomatoes, and herbs. Wash, chop, and freeze them flat in bags for easy storage. Drying is another easy technique, perfect for herbs, tomatoes, and peppers. Thread them onto a string and hang them in a well-ventilated area. Pickling is a delicious way to preserve cucumbers, onions, and other vegetables. Canning is ideal for preserving fruits and tomatoes. Use proper canning techniques to ensure safety. With a little effort, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor long after the gardening season ends. Small spaces, big flavors, gardening tips for limited areas. Don't worry if you have limited space. You can still enjoy the pleasures of gardening. Container gardening is perfect for patios, balconies, or even windowsills. Choose compact varieties of vegetables like patio tomatoes, bush beans, or dwarf cucumbers. Vertical gardening is another space-saving solution. Use trellises, hanging baskets, or wall-mounted planters to grow vegetables vertically. Herbs thrive in small spaces and add flavor to your dishes. Plant them in pots or window boxes. Remember to choose the right plants for your light conditions. With a little creativity, you can transform even the smallest spaces into bountiful gardens. The circle of seasons. Enjoying your garden year-round. Gardening is a year-round joy. Even in colder months, you can extend the season with a little planning. Start seeds indoors in late winter for an early spring harvest. Use cold frames or greenhouses to protect tender plants. In autumn, plant cover crops like clover or rye to improve soil health. This prepares your garden for the following spring. Consider growing winter vegetables like kale, spinach, or carrots. They can withstand cooler temperatures. By embracing the rhythm of the seasons, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown food throughout the year. Gardening is a rewarding journey that connects you to nature, nourishes your body, and brings joy to your life.